Today we're going to show to you the Mojobot game, and we'll be playing the basic version. So the basic version you can play with just the Mojobot basic set. So here we'll be playing with the cards, these mission cards, and these tokens. So the point of the game is to try and complete as mission as possible. So when you complete a mission, you get the star from the card. And if you successfully complete the mission, you may also get the star from a token. So we're going to start now, and the rule of the game is we start with the youngest person. So here is Them. So Them will pick his starting location. Okay, we'll just put the figure on.
No.
Yes. And now Mew will choose her starting location.
Ice cream shop.
And now Art.
Yeah, go ahead. Shopping mall.
And now Golf.
Home.
Okay. So Them, you go first. Draw a mission card.
Okay.
What is that mission?
Just
Let's
show
see.
you know that.
We'll show it to everyone. So we got the go to fire station. So there, the mission is go to fire station. So going there will complete the mission. So this mission is on the table and anyone can do it as long as it's on the table. So now it's Dem's turn, and Dem put his coding tags down and press go once. If after you press go, if your robot crashes into anything or runs out the map, that is a foul, and you would bring Mojobot back to the starting location at the beginning of turn. So Dem is trying to go to the fire station here. So let's see. Boom. Good job. So now Dem has completed the mission, so now you get that card. So that card is yours and you have 1 star. So yes, just keep it close to you and we know that that is your card. So we'll play first to 4 star wins.
Okay.
Yeah? First to 4 star. So Dem has got 1 now. So now it's Mew's turn. So we just move the robot around to where each player is. Draw a card.
Pick up mission.
So Mew has got a pickup mission. So this one is pick up orange juice from the orange grove and take to the cafe. Okay. So we have to get the orange token. It's also worth 1 star, and we'll put it at the orange goal. Just put it at the middle of the block. So let's see if Mojobot can pick up the oranges from the orange grove and take it to the cafe. Okay, so mission completed successfully. So now Mew gets the
2 star.
2 stars, 1 from the card and 1 from the token. Now it's Art's turn. Please draw your card.
Mission go to.
Go to mission. So this one is go to amusement park. Right there. here the kids have to plan their route, how they're going to get from their current location to the target location. So to complete a go-to mission, you can go to the location and just stop there. That counts as a mission completion. Or you can also go there and wait for at least 1 second. So to complete a go-to mission, you have to go there and wait, or just go there and stop. So the artist going to the amusement park, and then he's going to wait there for 1 second. So now it's waiting 1 second, and then Okay, so that's the end of Art's turn. So and now it's Paul's turn. So pick a card. Everyone has completed the mission successfully so far. So this is a pick-up mission. This is return your books to the library. So we're picking up the books from our school and taking it to the library. The library is there. The school is here. So now we've put the books token. The books token is now at the school.
Enough. Let's go, my friend.
Okay, so it looks like Golf is going to the school to pick up the books, and then he's going to head to the library. That's the books picked up now. And then to the library. But you can see he's run out of slots in the console, so Golf couldn't put down the token just yet. So he'll have to do that in the next turn.
So I can't grab that and
Yes.
steal the points.
Yes. So now it's your turn, Tim. Just put the robot where your character is. Turn the other way around. You're facing the other way. So you have to put the robot down where your character is and facing in the same direction.
Okay.
What is that card? Okay, this one is Occupy Mars. So Tim has to go to the space center. Okay. I'll just put it on the table. Yeah. Oh, it looks like Tim's path to the space center is blocked.
That's
So he'll have to figure out a way around. So the number of tags you have in the set are limited because we're just playing with the basic set here. So if you don't have enough slots or enough tags, you have to try and be creative and strategize correctly. For example, if you run out of turning left once, you can turn right 3 times, and that would be the same thing as turning left once.
I really don't know. I don't know. It's kind of like, eh.
Yes. Good job, then. So there, second mission completed. Now you have 2 stars. So now it's the green player's turn, Mew's turn.
Yes.
You can draw your card.
Pick up mission.
Okay, this is a pickup mission. This is pick up fossils from the desert and take it to the museum. So Mojobot's going to go digging for fossils, and then we're going to display it at the museum. So there we put the fossils on the table.
Holy, this is gonna be a long one.
So when you play, it's very possible that you get blocked by other players, so you have to figure out how you're going to get around or what you're going to do. And also when you play this game, you can decide how long you want to play it for. Since, for example, now we're playing up to 4 stars, but you can play up to 3 stars, up to 5 stars, up to 10 stars.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Not complete.
This one's basically impossible.
Yes. Yeah, this mission is not possible to complete in 1 turn because we've got 8 slots in the console, and this one would take more than that. But at least you can, as Mew is doing, is go and pick up the fossil, so that's already in your hands. Then the next turn you can just go drop it.
Which for other players are majority.
It's my turn.
So now it's the blue player's turn, Arch turn. Take your card.
This one.
This one is the ice cream maker mission. So in this one, Mojobot will go collect the milk from the cow and take it to the ice cream shop.
The cow.
Yes.
To the ice cream.
Ice cream shop.
Okay.
So this Art cannot complete this mission in this turn because Mew is at the ice cream shop. So it's not possible for him to complete in this turn.
Now
But at least he can go and pick up the milk and be ready for the next turn.
Roll it. 5. Pick up. Turn. Right. Once. Once. And
I got it twice. Oh wait, why did I tell him that?
forward. I just want to visit the music.
Oh!
Okay. Let's do it.
Oh my
I thought you said let's do it. Oh, there's a changing of tags. Last second change.
Oh. This is
Hey!
So I think one of the fun bits of the game is when someone gets their code wrong. So for when you're playing with friends and family, then that could be quite funny
also.
and a good laugh.
No, no. Are you sure? That's Don't worry, bro.
Just go. Just go. Just go. If you fail, it's like now I can steal your mission. Oh wait, no, I cannot steal your mission.
Yeah, so if you can't complete your mission, then the next player can do it and steal your mission.
But in this case, I cannot steal anyone's.
Come pick up the milk. The milk is with Mojobot now. And then Art is going to the museum.
Let's
It's,
visit. I want to go to the museum.
This is a strategic move. So now Art is at the museum.
Oh my goodness, this is an obstacle course for me now.
Now it's Dolph's turn. So now Art is at the museum, and it's a strategic move because he's blocking the green player, Mew, from taking the fossils to the museum.
No.
No,
No.
the yellow one.
Huh?
Now the yellow. Yeah. So now you can just put the token into Mojobot because yellow was previously holding the token. So
Where do you have to go again?
throw your card. Oh, lucky. Lucky guy. So Golf got lucky. He just drew the Joker card. And with the Joker card, you get 1 star. Because comedy is important, laughter is important. So there you go, one star.
That's just auto 1 star.
Yeah.
Come on.
And he gets to draw another mission card.
Go to pizza shop.
Go to pizza shop. Okay, go to pizza shop. So these are your cards, right? So we'll put it close to you. The other cards next to the board are missions available on the table.
I have to put down first.
Mm-hmm.
Go to pizza shop. Pizza shops.
That's just evil.
No, no, I just want to learn music. I want to something.
Oh really? Oh really? Really?
With the meal that I got.
Really?
No, you're not a good guy.
Really bad.
So now we're playing with 1 robot and we're playing with the Mojobot dolls. But if you have 4 robots, you can be playing this with 4 robots. And you can turn on the tail light to signify your player. So you can turn one player to red light, the other player turn the tail to green light, the other player turn the tail to blue light, and so on. But if you have 1 robot, it's still okay, it's still cool, you can play it this way.
Don't worry,
Okay, Golf has put down
This is making me worry.
the books. And he's got to the pizza shop,
Oh.
and now
You got 4
we
stars.
got 4 stars now.
Oh my
So we're at the end of the game.
Why did no one block him?
What? Should we play one more?
Why not?
So that's the end of what we decided, but yeah, let's give it one more. Let's see who can get the 5 stars first. Just to give them a chance. So this is your chance then.
Okay.